Alright, in this video we are going to set up our date and number format. And the number format is basically a currency format. So we're going to go to settings, click on date and number format. And from the date options we have several options. You pick the one that you're most familiar with. Here in the United States, we typically use the month, day, and year, so that's what I'm going to select. And then on the time format, you have 24-hour and 12-hour formats. So if you want I like the 12-hour format, AM and PM. So I don't necessarily want a 0 before my 9, which would be the military way of doing things. I'm just going to do this one right here. That's the AM and PM format. First day of the week here in the United States is Sunday. And under number format, you have several options. Pick what you're most used to. Here in the United States, we decimal, comma after the hundreds, comma after the thousands, comma after the millions. So we got less than 1 over here, and 1 through 999, and then we got thousands, 10,000, 100,000s, millions, 10 millions, 100 millions. That's the one we're going to select. And then you click update, but of course you want to pick what you're most familiar with, what you use in your country. And click update. And that's how you set the date and number formats. If this has helped you, how about leaving a like, subscribe, leave a comment. You'll really help this channel out, and it costs you nothing. And I thank you in advance. You have a good day.